Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. People, basically filming in real time, meaning the videos that you see that I posted was like recent videos, except for the one for the first and last month of the year. So I don't know what make me a film today, but I'm thankful because we never know when me I go film next to put out. But anyways, today I'm sharing my blow dry routine. Now, this is not something that I normally do or I do on a regular basis. I do this every now and again. Yeah, so I'm sharing my blow dry routine with you guys today. Yeah, so just stay tuned and watch it. I'm not gonna be talking too much, but yeah, so just stay tuned and watch it. And I'll be using the icy heat protectant serum. Yeah, I don't think you can see that properly, but anyways, yeah. So it's a heat protector straightening serum and whatever. I'm gonna read the instructions and I'm gonna start and just continue watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, subscribe and like the video. Yeah, because people, you're not subscribing. Yeah, most persons who are watching the video are not subscribing. It's like 70 something percent of my viewers are not subscribed. So please, no me normally ask in a video, but please just subscribe. Okay, I'm trying to grow my subscribe account this year, so please subscribe and like the video. Yeah, bye. So guys, as I said before, I don't do this often. I really only do it every now and again, and I just recently started incorporating it. I think like a couple months ago. Normally I exclusively let my hair air dry. That is what I believe in, that is what I prefer, and I am not a heat lover on my hair at all. But I decided that I wanted to incorporate it more to see how it affects my hair. That's basically why I decided to start blow drying my hair. And as I said, it's like a couple months now, so maybe like November of 2024 was like the first time blow drying my hair after years, like maybe like 10 years of not doing anything but air dry. So again, the reason why I did it is I learned somewhere that having your hair like dry directly after it being wet, it's better on your hair than letting it stay overnight. Because if I was to say, for example, plait up these sections, they will not dry until the next day, goodly like about like 26 hours or so it would take to dry. So because of that, I decided to do this experiment on my hair to see how it affects it. So that is why I am blow drying my hair now. So most wash day I air dry still, and then some of the days I blow dry. So I am just gonna be walking you through the steps I take to do this blow dry. And the first thing I do is to make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled. This section coming up is not gonna show that, but I'll explain why. But I make sure that every part of my hair is completely detangled. As you can see, the back section I went through it with ease, no problem, no issue. But I have my ends are not working with me. My ends need to be trimmed, so the front section of my hair is the worst with that. So that is what gave me the most resistance. Really, not really the front, but the middle section of my hair. So the crown of my head, the hair there, it really needs to be trimmed. So that is why I'm struggling with the front section of my hair. with the detangling process, but I make sure I go through with a wide tooth comb and detangle all of that before going into like sections and so on. Another thing I do before sectioning is to apply heat protectant. No, I don't blow dry my hair without heat protectant. Maybe like years ago before I knew what I was doing with my hair, but I don't blow dry my hair without heat protectant. Before this one, I was using another one, but I decided to try this one with this blow dry. And what I do, I apply the heat protectant, not by sections, but just apply a generous amount throughout the entirety of my hair at once. And the reason why I do that is because I don't want to apply too much heat protectant, and applying the heat protectant in sections just makes you more prone to applying too much heat protectant, and that can weigh down the hair. My hair does not get completely straight when it's blow dried, so I'm not trying to weigh it down with any product, and that's the only thing I use. I only put heat protectant while I am blow drying my hair. And as I said, it does not get completely straight. That's because my hair is not heat trained. Again, before starting to blow dry my hair in November, I had not used a blow dryer or any form of heat on my hair for more than 10 years. So that is the reason why my blow dry routine is not that great. Another thing is the blow dryer is not that great either. It is it does not get as hot as it's supposed to, so it takes more time for me to go over the section and also for it to get the hair straighter. So that is an issue that I'm having, but I'm okay with it for now because I'm not trying to flat iron my hair or anything. I just do it for protective styling or if I'm going to trim mines. So another thing I do is to blow dry in all directions, and that's to make sure that I get to the root. You know, the ends of your hair, they lose moisture way faster than the root, so it's easier to blow dry the ends of your hair. By the time you start blow drying, the ends are dry, but the root is where the moisture is kept because there is thicker and than the rest of your hair, so it holds on to more moisture. So and also it's where the newer hair is, so it's less damaged, so therefore it will hold on to more moisture. So that is what I'm doing, blow drying in all directions so that I make sure that I get to the root so that there can be dry as well. And after doing that, I blow dry down. As you can see from the video that I'm doing right now, I'm blow drying in a downwards motion, and that's to get the hair straighter and also for it to lay down. If you want more volume when you blow dry or even flat iron, you do it in like a different direction, like up. So what I'm doing, I'm blow drying down because I don't need to get more volume. I definitely have enough volume with my hair, and that is not the goal, to get more volume. So after doing all of that, another thing I do after going through each section is to take the sections apart, blow dry all of my hair at once, and then I put it on cool and I go through it again. Now the cool setting is to make sure that the roots, because they get very hot and the hair follicles are cramped together, so it will cause you to sweat on your scalp. So because I don't want that, I make sure that I give my hair like a cool shot with a blow dryer after I finish doing the initial blow dry, so that the roots don't get puffy from getting sweaty. And then it also helps to seal the cuticles, because as you know, just like washing your hair, using warm water opens the cuticles, so using the heat will open the cuticles, and using cold water will seal the cuticles. So going on a cool setting on the blow dry will also help to seal your cuticles as well. So yes guys, this is the finished look. Oh, so the kinda okay, but honestly that's how my hair looks like. No try. I haven't gotten it like proper straight. But honestly, I think it's getting better each time I do it. But yeah, this is the result. Yeah. And I'm gonna take a thumbnail, but yeah. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's supposed to be short. Let's see how I do that. But yeah, that is it for the video guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Before we go, subscribe please. Subscribe.